Hello everyone, welcome to the Savvy Professor. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change name on Hinge. First, open your Hinge application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to your profile page by tapping on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. In this page, tap on this Edit Profile option. Here, you can now see various details about your account. Now, since you wanted to change your name, you have to go to the My Vitals section, and below it, you can now see this name option. Simply tap on it. In this page, you can now modify your first and last name. Just tap on the field that you want to change, and you can just delete the current name. Then change it to your desired name. Once you are done editing your account's name, just go back to the profile page, and as you can see, my profile name has been changed to the name that I preferred. This updated name will now be reflected on your Hinge profile. So that's it. That's how you can change name on Hinge. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.